Good day to all of you. And before I will discuss to you the next topic, I would like to shout out to all my students of Alicia Technical Vocational High School, especially my grade 10 mathematics students, and of course, to all of my FB friends throughout the world. So again, good day to all of you. So this time we'll have quarter 3, module 3, lesson 3, week 3, day 3. So we're going to discuss today, lesson 3, problems involving combination of objects. And we have solved problems involving combination of objects. Objective. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to solve problems involving combination of an objects. Okay, let's go directly to our example. Finding the number of combination of an object can be done by counting techniques. The combination of n objects taken are at a time is, we have C, quantity, n, comma, r, quantity is equal to n factorial over r factorial times quantity n minus r factorial. And that will be read as combination of n objects taken r at a time is equal to n factorial over r factorial times quantity n minus r factorial. Example. A triangle is formed by 3 segments joining 3 non-collinear points. We have r is equal to 3. If there are 4 points, we have n is equal to 4 on the plane, then solution. We have now combination of n objects taken r at a time is equal to n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial, where n is equal to 4, r is equal to 3. So we have the solution. Combination of n things taken r at a time is equal to n factorial over r factorial times quantity n minus r factorial. So this time, we are going to substitute the value of n is equal to 4, and we have r is equal to 3. So this will be equal to 4 factorial over 3 factorial. 4 factorial over 3 factorial times 4 minus 3 factorial. So this will be equal to 4 factorial is same as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 24. And that 3 factorial over 4 minus 3 to 1 factorial. We have now combination of n objects taken r at a time is equal to 24. We have over 6 times 1. We have 3 factorial is equal to 6 and 1 factorial is equal to 1. So we have now 24 over 6 times 1 is equal to 6. We have now combination of 4 points taken, 3 non-collinear points is equal to 4 ways or 4 selections. Other question? Okay. So, let's go to the evaluation. Number 1. How many chords can be drawn using 7 distinct points on a circle? How many chords can be drawn using 7 distinct points on a circle? So we are going to use the formula of finding the combination of n things taken r things at a time. So from our given problem, we have now n is equal to 7 and r is equal to 2. Other questions? We have now Using the formula, we are going to substitute the value of n is equal to 7 and r is equal to 2. So this will be equal to 7 factorial over 2 factorial times quantity 7 minus 2 factorial. So this will be equal to 7 factorial is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 5,040. Using your calculator over 2 factorial. Ano ito? 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 factorial. This will be equal to 5,040 over 2 factorial is 2 and 5 factorial is 120. So we have 2 times 120 is equal to 240. We have now 5,040 divided by 240. The answer is combination of 7 objects taken 2 at a time is equal to 21 ways or 21 selections. Okay, are you following? We have now number 2. How many ways can we select 2 items from 3 items where order of the selection is not important? How many ways can we select 2 items from 5 items where order of selection is not important? So we are going to find the combination of the number of combinations, because the given problem there is all about the selection is not important. So we have now, again, we are going to use the formula. We have now combination of n objects taken r at a time is equal to n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. In our problem, n is equal to 5 and r is equal to 2. And we have now the formula, and we are going to substitute the value of n is equal to 5 and r is equal to 2. So we have 5 factorial over 2 factorial times 5 minus 2 factorial is equal to 5 factorial is 120 over 2 factorial. Then we have 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 factorial. And we have now, combination of 5 objects taken 2 at a time is equal to 120 over 2 times 6. And we have now 120 divided by 12 is equal to 10 ways or 10 selections. That is, combination of 5 objects taken 2 at a time is equal to 10 ways or 10 selections. We have now number 3. 5 students are waiting outside the school gate for a jeepney. A teacher stops his tricycle and offers a free ride to any 4 of them. In how many ways could the students be selected for a free ride? Again, we have problem number 3. 5 students are waiting outside the school gate for a jeepney. A teacher stops his tricycle and offers a free ride to any 4 of them. In how many ways could the students be selected for a free ride? So we have now the formula. We have combination of n objects taken r at a time is equal to n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So there are 5 students and a teacher offers a free ride, and in every ride there are 4 students. So how many selections? We have now the formula, and we are going to substitute the value of n is equal to 5 students, and we have r is equal to 4 students at a time. So we have 5 factorial over 4 factorial times 5 minus 4 factorial is equal to 5 factorial is 120 over 4 factorial times 5 minus 4 factorial is equal to 1. So we have now 120 over 24 times 1. This will be equal to 120 over 24, and we have now combination of 5 students taken 4 at a time is equal to 5 ways or 5 selections. Are there questions? Are you following? So, I think you have no problem because I think you have mastered the topic on combination, especially you are given the formula for you to use and substitute to get the answer. We are going to have our assessment now. We have number 1. Which of the following situations does not illustrate combination? Which of the following situations does not illustrate combination? So our possible answer here is letter C, enumerating the subset of a set. Enumerating the subset of a set. We have number 2. We are going to evaluate combination of n of anyway. We have number 2. Combination of n objects taken n at a time is equal to blank. Again, the answer here is A1. So that is possible answer is A1. Number 3. If combination of n taken r at a time is equal to 35, which of the following are possible values of n and r? Number 3. If combination of n object taken r at a time is equal to 35, which of the following are possible values of n and r? So using the formula, letter C is our possible answer. We have n is equal to 7 and r is equal to 3. When you are going to substitute the value of n is equal to 7 and r is equal to 3 to our formula, the answer is 35. Number 4. How many chords can be drawn using 7 distinct points in a circle? How many chords can be drawn using 7 distinct points in a circle? So we have already our n is equal to 7. What is our r? There are 2 points determine a chord. We have now, if we are going to substitute the value of our formula, n is equal to 7 and r is equal to 2, the answer is 21. The possible answer is 21. Anyway, you are given chance to solve with your own understanding using the formula, and just hope we have the same answer is equal to 21. Number 5. A bag contains 9 marbles numbered 1 to 9. If I draw 4 marbles out of the bag, how many different sets can be drawn? Again, number 5. A bag contains 9 marbles numbered 1 to 9. If I draw 4 marbles out of the bag, how many different sets can be drawn? So, using your calculator, we have n is 9 and r is 4. The possible answer here is 126. So in this case, number 5, no answer is found. So the correct answer is 126 after you have used your formula with n is equal to 9 and r is equal to 4. I just hope you have solved this number. For numbers 6 and 7, refer this given situation. The committee of 5 is to be chosen from a group of 6 boys and 9 girls. From number 6 and 7, refer this given situation. The committee of 5 is to be chosen from a group of 6 boys and 9 girls. We have number 6. How many committee can be chosen? How many committees can be chosen? So in this case, there is no answer. I think the question is irrelevant. So there is no answer. Number 7. How many committees will be all boys? So using the formula, we have n is equal to 9 and r is equal to 5. Using the formula, I just hope we have the same answer. The possible answer is letter B, 6. Number 8 and 9. For numbers 8 and 9, refer this given situation. 6 pools have been dug, but only 4 trees are available. Again, for numbers 8 and 9, refer this given situation. 6 pools have been dug, but only 4 trees are available. So we have our n is equal to 6 and we have r is equal to 4. Using again the formula in finding the combination of n objects taken are at a time, our possible answer here is equal to 15. We have number 9. If you planted all trees, how many different selections of holes are possible? Again, the answer here is equal to 15. It's letter D, but we have 1519. Instead of 1519, it's already 15, but there is no answer here. And the correct answer is 15 after using the formula in finding the combination of n objects taken are at a time. So we have number 10. How many triangles can be drawn on a plane using 4 collinear points? How many triangles can be drawn on a plane using 4 collinear points? So in this case, the answer is equal to 4. After subjecting the formula, substituting the values of n and r. So I just hope we have the same answers, and just hope you can check your answers in this video so that you can get higher score. Okay? So it's the end of our discussion. This is your teacher, Castro Ewan. I just hope you understand that topic. And to those who did not subscribe yet my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and please do not forget to hit the notification bell for some updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.